Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, work on a flat, well-lit surface and slide the emergency mechanical key out using the release button. Once removed, inspect the fob seam for the small notch where a flathead fits. Insert the screwdriver tip gently into that notch and apply steady, even pressure. Do not lever wildly. The goal is to separate the plastic halves without stressing the clips. This first step exposes the internal cavity so you can access the battery and circuit board safely. Once the seam opens, work the screwdriver along it to free the remaining clips and lift the top half away. You will see the coin cell and a small retaining clip. Note the battery orientation now so you reinstall correctly. Carefully lift the circuit board by its edges if it obstructs the battery, and avoid touching contacts with your fingers to reduce static and oil transfer. If the battery is held by a clip, gently bend it aside just enough to remove the cell without forcing components. Replace the coin cell with a fresh CR 2032 matching the polarity marks and press it fully into place under the retaining clip. Once seated, align the two plastic halves and press around the perimeter until each clip snaps. Make sure the emergency key slot aligns. Test the fob on the car, lock, unlock, and remote trunk. If it does not work, first recheck battery orientation and clean terminals. If still dead, reseat the PCB. Try the mechanical key in the lock to wake the car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.